Lurking amid Saturn's massive rings, NASA's Cassini spacecraft has spotted two tiny moons. A stunning new image captured roughly 3.4 million miles away from Atlas, the larger of the pair, reveals this object is in the process of being overtaken by Pan, a 17-mile wide moon with a faster orbit. Pan is situated much closer to Saturn, in the inked gap of the A ring, and can be seen toward the bottom right side of the image. Atlas is visible at the top left corner of the Cassini photo, dwarfed by Saturn's enormous rings. The image was taken in visible light with the spacecraft's narrow-angle camera on July 9, at a scale of 21 miles per pixel. According to the astronomers, all orbiting bodies follow the same basic rules defined by Johannes Kepler more than 400 years ago. This dictates that Pan, which orbits closer to Saturn, will travel faster than its more distant counterpart, Atlas. While it has not yet passed the larger moon, the image reveals Atlas will soon be left trailing behind. In recent months, the Cassini spacecraft has sent back numerous images of breathtaking marvels around Saturn, including a mysterious glowing spot in Saturn's B ring. The phenomenon is known as an opposition surge, in which one particular region appears to be far brighter than the rest. While it may seem unusual, the agency says this spot is actually an optical illusion produced by the sun's alignment with the observer. According to NASA, an opposition surge is the result of a combination of two factors. When the sun is directly behind an observer looking toward the rings, this positioning creates a region of opposition in which the shadows of ring particles directly opposite the sun from Cassini fall behind those seen from the spacecraft. As these shadows become invisible to Cassini, all those which can be seen are in sunlight, making them appear very bright. Outside of the region of opposition, the particle shadows are visible, darkening this area and causing the brightness to fall off in a circular fashion around the opposition point. Along with this, the effects seen in the images are caused by coherent backscatter. In this type of optical phenomenon, the electromagnetic signal from the rays of scattered sunlight as it travels back to the craft is enhanced near the region of opposition. According to NASA, this happens because the electric and magnetic fields of the scattered radiation fluctuate in unison rather than canceling out. The image just released by the agency was taken in visible light by the Cassini spacecraft on June 26, 2016 from roughly 940,000 miles away from Saturn. It's been seen before in Saturn's A ring as well, in images captured on July 23, 2006, from 163,000 miles away. And Saturn's glowing spot isn't the only optical illusion produced by the craft. In images released this past July, NASA revealed what at first seems to be a major intergalactic accident: Saturn's rings appearing to melt. Saturn's A and F rings appear bizarrely warped where they intersect the planet's limb, whose atmosphere acts here like a very big lens. In its upper regions, Saturn's atmosphere absorbs some of the light reflected by the rings as it passes through. But absorption is not the only thing that happens to that light, explained NASA. As it passes from space to the atmosphere and back out into space towards Cassini's cameras, its path is refracted or bent. The result is that the ring's image appears warped.